right, boys and girls, and so we are finishing our different fractions by doing a little coloring project. So you're going to need 4 colors, and if you need to push pause to get them, that's fine. You're going to need blue, red, green, and yellow. So we're going to start with blue, and any shape that is colored with 1/4, so that means that only one section is colored, we're going to color that one section blue. So that these are all shapes that just have 1/4 chosen on the shape so that we can see all of the different kinds. So find all of the shapes that have just one colored, and those are going to be blue for 1/4. Okay. So the next color that we need is red, and those are the shapes that have 2/4 colored. So any shapes that have 2/4 colored, we're going to color those red. So it looks like we have a few of them, 2/4 like this. Okay. All right. And then, oh, I missed one. Good job for reminding me. Good job. Okay, our next one is going to be green. And green are going to be 3/4. So any shape that you see that has 3/4, you're going to color that green. So these are all the ones like this, that have 3 of the 4 colored. Those are going to be green. And then the last one is 4/4, and those are going to be yellow. So all the ones that are left that have all 4 boxes colored, those are going to be the yellow ones. Okay, so we're going to go like this. And color these yellow. And if you need to push pause at any time, that's totally fine, just to make sure that you get these colored correctly. And then let's turn it over onto the back. All right, so the last part of our paper is to use our number line and to follow the directions to find the answer. So read these directions with me. Start at 15 and jump back to 9. So we're going to start with 15 and count back to 9 how many hops it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, let's look at the next one. Start at 10 and jump back to 3. I think some of you might already know this answer because you're going to recognize 10 friends, but let's do it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And the next one you're probably going to recognize because it's doubles. But we start at 14 and count back to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next one says start at 17 and count back to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the last one says start at 18 and jump back to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Very good. Nice job, boys and girls. Show this to your teacher and do your next thing.